Now you see these key-shaped keyholes? To install it, you're putting the rail down and everything's loose so that these knobs fit in, and then you slide it to where it locks in place, okay? And then all you do is you tighten it up, and that gives you a pretty good attachment point for your rails, okay? So I'm going to put this back on my AR. The one on the gun is my play gun. This is for the build I'm doing, right? So I wanted to test it. So I slide it on there, I'll tighten it down. A single point sling, and the gun's going to lay from my right shoulder down to my left hip. I'm going to put the Keymod on the passenger side of the gun. There it is. The keys are locked in place. So now just tighten them up. And this Keymod system's, it's not that expensive, and they're pretty much accepted, so you can get the accessories. I happened to get this rail on eBay. It was about $50, which puts it on, the low side of quality. But, this is a $400 gun, so I didn't want to put a $200 freaking rail on there, because, that's not very balanced. One of these days I'll build me a super fancy AR with lots of high quality parts, but it won't be anytime soon, because I still got a kid that I got to buy clothes and shoes for. Right. All right, and I'm going to put a light over there.